Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the light bar's voltage and current draw so you size the fuse and wiring correctly. Once done, disconnect the battery to prevent shorts and choose the mounting location for optimal illumination and clearance. Make sure you have the harness, a relay, a fuse equal or slightly above the bar's draw, a switch, ring terminals, and quality crimp connectors. Now loosely position the bar and route the wiring path to confirm cable lengths before committing to holes or bolts. You now secure the bracket and fasten the bar, tightening to the recommended torque so it won't shift under vibration. Next, route the positive power wire along a protected path toward the battery, avoiding heat and moving parts, and select a chassis ground with paint removed for a solid connection. Then mount the relay near the battery or fuse block, install a fuse on the battery side, and use appropriate gauge wire, thicker for higher current, to minimize voltage drop and heat. With the harness in place, connect the relay trigger to your switch or to an accessory switch source so the bar only runs when intended. Ensure the inline fuse is on the battery side and the ground is tight. Reconnect the battery, flip the switch, and watch for the relay to click as power flows, then adjust the beam aim for legal, effective coverage. If it doesn't work, check fuses first, listen for the relay, measure voltage at the bar, and verify ground continuity. Those steps pinpoint most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.